Antidepressants always cure depression. Antidepressants will change your personality. You'll have to take antidepressants forever.
Depression and anxiety is a real problem. Post-pandemic, a lot of us needed help with mental health. Today's video is how you can use food, nutrition and lifestyle practices to be able to help yourself heal mind and body and hopefully be able to break free from medication that you're taking. The first and most important rule to understand is that your gut is your pharmaceutical industry. हमारा gut सारे vitamins, nutrients बनाता है, सिर्फ provided हम उसे सही ingredients दें. What tends to happen is जब anxiety और depression होती है तो हमें लगता है कि हम comfort खाना खाएंगे तो we will feel happier. So we tend to order the wrong food, eat high calorie, high sugar, high fat food in an effort to make ourselves feel better. But please understand that's 80% of your feel good hormone which helps you overcome anxiety and depression, which is serotonin, is not made in your brain and thus medication doesn't aid it. It is made in your gut. Please understand that your gut is the epicenter of your body. For every one signal that the brain sends the gut sends 9 signals back to the brain. So if you start eating with thought, you start eating well, you start eating with nurture, automatically आपकी body ये serotonin produce करेगी और आपको दवाइयों की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Second act is sleep. हमें सबको पता है कि sleep बहुत ज़रूरी है. And what tends to happen is that when we are anxious or in depression, नींद गुम हो जाती है. फिर हमें भूख ज़्यादा लगती है, फिर हम गलत खाना खाते हैं, हम वो vicious loop में अटक जाते हैं. But sleep is where your body heals, repairs, wear and tear, and most importantly, helps your brain make more happy hormones. Sleep is very important. 6 to 7 hours is considered essential for adults. I would say magic happens if you sleep 8 hours. Now, how do you improve sleep? Is if you eat balanced, you will be able to sleep better. Carbs are not your enemy. Dinner में भी carbs ले जैसे आप अच्छी तरह से सोएंगे. जब हम carbs avoid करते हैं तो हमारी नींद टूटी हुई होती है, deep sleep नहीं आता है. And thirdly, the exercise helps with better sleep. Of course, exercise releases endorphins जो हमारे happy hormones हैं, but exercise हमें थका भी देता है so that we can sleep better. And most importantly, वो हमें healthy cycle पे डाल देता है because we are exercising, we eat better, because we eat better, we feel better, because we feel better, we don't eat wrong food and therefore get off the vicious loop of eating wrong and using medication. I hope this video was beneficial. Please send the video to who you think this video will help.